Now, please welcome contestant number 2, Raina Sharma Laimayum.
Good evening. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Living her dream, this is Raina Sharma Laimayum, and I'm from Nagampa Laimayum Lerak. Right now, I'm preparing for my TISBET examination, which stands for the Tata Institute of Social Sciences for Developmental Studies. I aspire to be an entrepreneur and an investor, and I see myself to be a part of a cause that empowers women socially and economically. I'm too determined to be defeated, and lastly, to God be the glory. Thank you.
Okay, her question is, what do you gain when you smile? I repeat, what do you gain when you smile?
Good evening, everyone. What will I gain when I smile? When I smile, I gain confidence, I spread happiness, and happiness is what makes us feel contented. I believe in God, and God has made everyone special, and we must smile to spread our happiness. Thank you.
What did you learn from the 7 days long training period which was conducted as a part of Miss Manipur 2018?
What I've learned from this experience is, even if we have individual differences, we are still one. We are one and we are a family. And I was able to become a friend of everyone regardless of winning or losing the competition. Thank you.
All right, the winner of Miss Manipur 2018 is Raina Sharma Laimayum, contestant number 2. I would like to call representative from Bradford Aviation Academy, and the reigning Miss Manipur, Strela Tonosan, will be crowning the winner, Raina Sharma Laimayum, contestant number 2. The awards are sponsored by Bradford Aviation Academy. Congratulations to all the winners of Miss Manipur 2018, I would like to request the organizing committee members of Miss Manipur 2018 to please come over the stage.